welcome back to the vlog. I'm back from Italy and I'm getting ready right now. I kind of have a busy day ahead of me, but like all good things. I do have a meeting in about 30 minutes, but while I'm doing that meeting, I'm gonna be on the way to my haircut because my hair is literally so long now and my ends are so dead. I think you can hear them. That's how dead they are. So I'm in desperate need of a hair refresh. I keep moving this around to try to get you guys better lighting. The hair refresh is essential. It's been making it so hard to style or do my hair. It's been like a long time. I'm really excited to get a refresh in, feel like my hair is like brand new. I just feel like it makes it so much easier too when you're getting ready, when your hair is like healthy, because then it just like naturally looks better. Right now I feel like I'm doing hairstyles to try to make up for lack thereof hair health. Anyway, I got some new products sent to me for some makeup and also for some hair care as well, but I am going to film a little TikTok get ready with me and use those products and just get ready really quick, and then I'm gonna leave, hop on the meeting, and then we'll be at the haircut. I'm really excited. Finished the meeting, now I'm here for the haircut. This is kind of the inspo that I'm going for today. I also have a cappuccino, and the weather is so beautiful out today. It's the first time in like 4 days that the weather's been nice, so perfect day for a haircut. I have a mask in my hair right now, and then we're doing a mask, gloss, cut, blowout. We're doing the whole deal. Also, don't look at where my makeup has been washed off, okay? Pretend you didn't see it. Good morning. It's Thursday morning. I don't know if I showed you guys my haircut results. I know I filmed it for like TikTok and took a bunch of pictures, but this is like the length that my hair is at now. And then we just like fixed my layers and cleaned it up. And he actually kills it every time. So we did long curtain bangs. We honestly didn't even touch them because we wanted to have like more long face framing pieces, and I love it. My hair has literally felt lighter. I think we cut a lot off actually. It feels so much healthier now, so I'm really happy about that. And then right after the haircut, there was like a bookstore like literally 2 steps away. I went and picked up the new Hunger Games book. I really enjoy reading. I literally got it last night and I was sat on the balcony and was just reading it the whole time. It's so good. It's so hard to put down. I'm so happy. If you know me, you know I'm like such a Hunger Games stan. I've always been. Already, I know this movie is gonna be so good just based on how good the book is. Like, the book is insane. But it's Thursday morning. I work today, but I got up early because I wanted to be able to sit on the couch and read this book for like an hour. I made breakfast, so I just did avocado toast with 2 eggs, and then I made like a chocolate hazelnut coffee, and then I was watching Olivia Jade's YouTube vlog while I was making breakfast. So I'll probably finish that up while I'm eating breakfast, and then after I eat, I'm going to lock into this book until I have to get ready for work, and then we'll get ready together. I am about to start getting ready. I already did my hair. Just did like some big loose curls, but they're setting right now, so I'm just gonna leave them be, and then I'll shake them out in a little bit. While I was part of the way through doing my hair, I realized that I was getting ready an hour earlier than I needed to. So in turn, in my mind, I was like, wait, I'm gonna keep getting ready, and then when I'm finished getting ready, I'm gonna read more before I have to go. I'm pretty happy about that because I get a really nice peaceful morning, which I'm really grateful for, and I get to just read, which is also really nice because then I don't have to rush getting ready. I can just get ready at whatever pace. I'm gonna open a window. It's literally so hot in here. I've also been loving the e.l.f. camo contour and the blushes, but this has been my recent go-to for contour lately. It's the way that I'm rushing through doing my makeup so that I can go read this book. But like, if you know me, you know I love the Hunger Games series. Like, I don't know, I hope she writes books my whole life. Suzanne Collins, Girl, you better never stop writing because I'm sat every time. I've also tried out yesterday on TikTok these Fui blushes, and they're so good. They're the blurry pudding pot, and they actually go on like a dream. I really like the shade Faded because it kind of looks a little bit like a sun-kissed. You have a little bit of that like red pinky sun-kissed look, so I love that for the summer. Now I'm using the the Makeup Forever Corrective Rose HD Skin Setting Powder, and I've been really liking it. So far so good. No wonder my vanity isn't plugged in. That's why I was like, why is it low-key kind of hard to see myself right now? Oh my gosh, so much better. I can actually see what I'm doing. I love it when the makeup starts to come together and you're like, okay, yeah. Like when you get out of the trust the process point and you can be like, okay, this is gonna be a good makeup day. I have some PR here from Coco and Eve. I got their shampoo and conditioner. It's also the shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, hair serum, and heat protectant that I use. And then they also did the leave-in conditioner, which I'm gonna try because my hair is so dry, especially during the summer. So it definitely needs any extra moisture I can give my hair. I'm going to. Fui also sent, like I said earlier, the blurry pudding pots, and then they also sent the matching lip 3D volumizing gloss. They sent them in both the shades, but the other shade is in my purse because they're so good. I literally am obsessed with them. So that's a little mini PR haul for you. Yesterday, I read on the balcony and it was so nice to like honestly just like be detached from my phone, sitting outside reading a book. And I was out there for like 3 or 4 hours. Like I was out there for a long time and it felt so good. If you have any good like book recommendations, let a girl know, because I definitely want to continue taking time like away from my phone, away from technology, and just like reading. If you have any good recommendations that hold your attention the whole time, let a girl know. I just did my lashes and my lips off camera, but I used Kylie lip liner in shade Kylie, and then I used the Fui 3D volumizing gloss, and this one's in the shade Scotch. Yeah, Scotch, and I love it. I also just like love my hair. Like I feel like it looks so healthy. It's still long, but it just looks so much healthier. I'm ready now for work and I'm gonna go back to reading the Hunger Games. You guys know I'm such a grandma now. I really am. This is so bad. I literally made iced tea the other day, bundled up and like read my book, and I'm like, wow. I'm in bed at like 9, which is kind of nice, but it's summer. It's Euro summer, so I need to pick up the pace a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I can have grandma vibes in the winter, okay? We're going out tonight. We're on the way to go out tonight. The hair, makeup, and the outfit, and it's gonna be really fun. We're going to like a pre-party, and then what's the second thing? Like a DJ event?
House event.
DJ house event. I'm bringing you guys with me, of course. So cold, so Kenny gave me his button up
Jumper.
It does a lot. I'm really warm now. Good morning, happy Thursday. Is it already Thursday? Right now I'm getting ready for work, but I have to film a brand deal before I go, and I'm getting ready a bit earlier because I'm gonna go early, and I'm also gonna bring my computer, so hopefully I have some time to sit down and edit before I start my shift. And then the weekend starts, and I'm really excited because we're having some friends come and visit this weekend and see our apartment for the first time. We've had a few friends come and see it. Like we've had our friends that have flown in and have stayed with us. This is the first time like my cousins are gonna come see it. This is like the first time we're really showing like our local friends and family. The apartment's not finished. Like we still have another furniture delivery coming next week, but it's close enough. I'm just waiting for some of those bigger pieces before I host something somewhat big, because I do really love to host, but when I host I want to be able to like go all out, you know what I mean? And I just honestly feel so grateful. Like we got so lucky with this apartment and how just amazing and gorgeous it is. Again, I'm getting ready and I'm like, why can't I see how my makeup looks? And it's because my vanity light's not on. I think this is the second time in this vlog that I've done that. I've really been trying to lock back into my social media. There are some really exciting things coming. I just find so much happiness in it, so I'm trying to figure out a good balance. I also have had just like a very inconsistent schedule, so it's really hard to make like a good routine if you don't have a consistent schedule, but I think now my schedule is starting to be a bit more consistent, so I'm really gonna take advantage of that. I finished The Hunger Games a few days ago, honestly. So good. I am so excited for the movie. I feel like the movie is gonna be unreal. The weather is gonna be so bad here all weekend. I'm so sad because I've been itching to go and lay out in the sun. It's like, how is it mid-July and I'm still this pale? Like, what? It's gonna be raining all week, which, look at that. Literally all week rain. And it's mid-July. I'm so sad. I don't know, maybe I'll make a cozy rainy summer vlog next week, which could be cute. I'm actually really excited to film this brand deal. I wanted to film it yesterday. I don't know what was going on with me yesterday or the day before, but my brain was not in my head because I literally showed up somewhere an hour early unintentionally, and then was getting ready here thinking I was like early, had enough time, had time to film brand deal, and then I look at the time, I'm like, wait, what? And I literally had to Uber to work because my brain literally just wasn't there. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I was like, okay, today I really need to make sure to lock in and like map the time out, which in all of the time that I've been here, that's never happened to me. So the fact that it happened like 2 days in a row. I've showed up early before, but that's fine. Showing up late, unacceptable. I made it to work like early, like I was there 10 minutes early, like it was still perfectly fine. I made a coffee, but the panic I felt when I saw my time and I was like, now that I've made that mistake once, it will not happen again. I've been using the YSL waterproof mascara lately and I've been enjoying it. But honestly, I love any waterproof mascara. Waterproof mascara is so amazing for holding the curl. If you just use a regular mascara, you'll notice that over time your curl will kind of fall. But if you use a waterproof mascara, it'll help hold the curl, and then you can always go over the waterproof mascara with a second mascara. So like for me, a waterproof mascara and then a lengthening regular mascara over top. That way you still have something to hold the curl, and then you also have something that's giving the length at the same time. So next I'm going in with the Smashbox Fanned Out Mascara. I've gone through like 3 of these. I really do enjoy this one. And honestly, every of the mascaras for this is like interchangeable as long as you have a waterproof mascara, and then if you would rather have volume, you can use a volumizing mascara over top. It just depends on your lash goals. I also use Babe Lash Essential Serum. I've been using this since I was in college, or like the summer before my senior year of college. So I've been using it for a few years straight and I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. I have a code with them, code Alyssa. If you ever want to get Babe Lash, you can get a little discount. You guys, look at how hard I'm hitting pan right now in my bronzer. I haven't decided yet what one I'm gonna go for when I restock. I mean, I still do have like another bronzer here, but it's like part of a palette. And I do like having like a little bit of a deeper bronze for summer. I don't know, I haven't picked yet. I did really love the shade Icon, the Morphe one, and it's like the big pan, like the Marc Jacobs ones, so you definitely get a lot of product, which I like. Today I'm doing the Valentino Brat Summer perfume. I love this perfume. It's so good, and I always get compliments when I wear it. I know a perfume is good if I get like multiple compliments on it during the day, then I'm like, okay, she's still there, so she's long lasting and people can smell her and it smells good. Good enough for them to tell me too. Let's do this. I finished the video and now I'm on the way to work. I just threw this sweater on because I just wanted to have a sweater on. Normally I go a little bit more dressed up if I'm going into the city, but I just wanted to be cozy today.